Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, this is going to be a quick behind the scenes of a whiskey bottle shoot. I'm going to try to do a one light setup with my Nanlite pavotube 26C, I think. Yes, it's that one. And I'm having this as my setup now. So it's still an empty glass, bottle of whiskey, some cutting board, and a seamless dark grey, storm grey, I don't know the exact color, I'll list it down below, background from Savage, just clamped to the table. And I have the Z6 set up here, let's see, yes, with 2-second exposure. F11 ISO 160 and with the 24-70 f4 lens, and that's it. I'm not shooting that at this moment because for the long exposure to have my laptop or the screen on, it will just add some reflections and imperfections to the bottle itself, and I don't want that. So let's start off by making a fake whiskey now. To make a nice fake whiskey cocktail, you just add some water to a glass. That's enough whiskey, I think. I like to use spa water because it's processed water, mineral water. It has almost no tendency to bubble. So that's good. Then I'm going to take my coffee and I just have this plastic syringe here. I'll pop some bubbles first. And I don't want the foam, but I want the black coffee underneath. Clean some of the foam off the syringe. And I'm going to add this to my water. As you can see, although my garage lights are white, it's starting to look like the whiskey color now. And I think for this, color wise, it's looking quite good already. It's quite a light, whiskey color wise. If it's not enough, just add a couple of syringes and you should be fine. And that's how you make a quick and very cheap fake whiskey. Now let's run through the lighting setup. I have this light here. Let's turn it on. I already played around a bit, and this is something that I want to go for. Nice and clean look, single light. That's the wrong side. And there are a couple of variations, just moving the light around, which you can create. So I'm gonna look for that. So when I move the light around, I start below the table to get no light on my bottle. And then I'm just going to twist and move it up. And as you can see, it will feather like this towards the glass and the bottle to create a nice reflection. I'm going to twist it upwards to the ceiling in the end. So yeah, let's turn the lights off and start creating this shot. I'm going to place you behind the camera on the shelf here, and I have my light set up at 20%, 2700K color wise. So not a lot of light and a 2-second exposure at f11. So let's just kill these and start light creating. And this is the first shot. Starting to look good already. A bit too much light on the bottom here, so I'm gonna see if I can get rid of that. And I'm very happy with this result. So let's take it into Photoshop and see what we can make of it. So that was it for this video. Just a quick whiskey bottle shot with a single light setup, and a small pavotube I have here. Yeah, you learn to make your own whiskey, so cheers to that. Let me know how it tastes for you. I have great coffee, so I don't mind. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content. Thank you very much for watching, and have a very nice day. I hope to see you in the next one.